Yes, now we are going to discuss permutations and combinations. Permutations nothing but arrangements. Combinations nothing but selections. First we discuss about the arrangements. Here if I take a single letter, how many ways this can be arranged? Only one way. That's very easy to understand. Next, if I take two letters A, B, this can be arranged in two ways, A, B and B, A. Next, I take three letters A, B and C. Next, this can be arranged the other way, A, C, B or B, A, C or B, C, A or C, A, B or C, B, A. How many arrangements? 6 arrangement. 3 different letters means this can be arranged 6 ways. If I take 4 letters A, B, C, D, how many ways this can be arranged? Actually 24 ways. Why? If I start with A, for B, C, D, 6 ways are there, right? If I start with B, the other 3 letters 6 ways. If I start with C, the other 3 letters 6 ways. If I start with D, other 3 letters 6 ways. Totally 24 ways. 4 letters means 24 ways. This easily you can understand the logic behind this. One letter, this can be arranged one way. This is 2 letters means 2 ways. 3 letters means 6 ways. 4 letters means 24 ways. It follows a pattern. What's a pattern? The pattern is 1 letter means 1 factorial ways. 2 letters means 2 factorial ways. 3 letters means 3 factorial. 4 letters means 4 factorial ways. Next, 5 letters. If I take 5 letters A, B, C, D, E, 5 letters can be arranged in 5 factorial ways. This we can say 5 different letters. So if I take A, B, C, D, E, F, 6 letters, it can be arranged 6 factorial ways, 6 different letters. Here the same way you can solve the problems if the different letters. Next, I choose the letters like A and B. How many ways these 3 letters can be arranged? A, B or A, B, A or B, A. Here 3 letters are given. We know 3 different letters means this can be arranged 6 ways or 3 factorial ways. Here 2 letters are same. So whenever you find like this 1, 2, 3, number of letters arranged 3 factorial ways divided by, here 2 letters are same, divided by 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Here the B comes only once. So 2 factorial into 1 factorial. Next example, if I write A, B. How many ways these 5 letters can be arranged? Very simple. 5 letters are given, so 5 factorial divided by, here 2 A's are same, divided by 2 factorial. Here 3 B's are same, divided by 3 factorial. That's very easy to understand. Here I'll write the values 6 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Can you write letters? So in this case 6 letters are given. In that 3 letters are same and one more 3 letters are same. For example, this can be written as A, B. If I write X, Y, Z. How many ways this can be arranged? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This can be arranged 7 factorial ways divided by 2x are same, 2 factorial, 2y's are same, 2 factorial, 3 z's are same, 3 factorial. That's answer. See, we discuss now a few cases. Case 1. Case 1, if I take 6 letters word A, B, C, D, E and F, 6 letters word, how many ways these 6 letters can be arranged? That's nothing but 6 factorial ways is equal to 720. That's very simple. The reason is all the letters are different. This can be arranged 6 factorial. So it's equal to 720 ways. Case 2. So it is given A and B always together. Then remaining C, D, E, F. How many ways these can be arranged? So in this case, consider this as one unit or one letter. Once you consider this is one letter, there's a second letter, third letter and fourth letter and fifth letter. These can be arranged in 5 factorial ways, and A and B, we consider this a one letter. A and B, one letter, or we can consider one unit. 5 factorial ways. This can be arranged 5 factorial ways into 2 factorial. Why 2 factorial? AB. If I consider AB, that's one case. The other case is BA. In this case also A and B together. That's why we need to multiply by 2 factorial. Next, I'll explain you case 2 with one more example. A, B, C, D, E and F. In this case, 3 letters always together, A, B, C always together. So if it is given like this, A, B, C, consider this as one unit, then D, E, F, then that's a second one, the third one, fourth one, right? These can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. Here we consider A, B, C as one unit. Complete this first, then read the condition. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units can be arranged 4 factorial into here A, B, C 3 letters. This can be arranged in again 3 factorial ways. The reason is A, B, C or A, C, B or B, C, A dot. This can be arranged 6 ways or 3 factorial ways. So what's answer? 4 factorial into 3 factorial. The 4 factorial is nothing but this arrangement into these 3 letters can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. The next one I'll explain you. A, B, C, D, E and F. It is given these 4 letters always together. If it is given like this, consider this as one letter, then one unit. That's a second unit, third unit. These 3 can be written as 3 factorial ways, and these 4 letters can be arranged in 4 factorial ways. The case 1, have you understood clearly? 2 letters together, 3 letters together, 4 letters together. The next one we discuss case 3. Here A, B, C, D, E and F. The total arrangement we know that's a 6 factorial ways. A and B together, we know the answer is 5 factorial into 2 factorial. Is it correct? The next one, what's the case 3? Case 3, in this case, A and B never together. How can you find out A and B never together? What's the total arrangement? 6 factorial. What's A and B together? The arrangement is 5 factorial into 2 factorial, right? See, A and B never together. A and B never together is equal to total minus together. What's the total arrangement? Total arrangement 6 factorial minus together arrangement 5 factorial into 2 factorial. So the answer is 720 minus 240. The answer is 480. 480 ways are there in that A and B never together. In how many ways can the letters of the word rainbow can be arranged? R, A, I, N, B, O, W. How many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters. 7 letters can be arranged in 7 factorial ways. 7 factorial is equal to 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. The total number of ways. The answer is 5040. Have you understood that already the concepts we discussed earlier? So 7 letters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 letters that can be arranged 7 factorial ways. So the answer is 540. The next question, in how many ways can the letters of the word rainbow be arranged in which vowels are always together? How many are vowels? A, I, O. Remaining letters R, N, B and W. Consider this as one unit. Second letter, third, fourth and fifth. These 5 can be arranged in 5 factorial ways into these three letters we consider as a one unit, but it has three letters, so into 3 factorial. What's a 5 factorial value? 5 factorial value is 120, 3 factorial value 6, so the answer is 720 here. In which vowels are always together? Have you understood? Well, if the question is all vowels together, consider this as a one unit, write the remaining letters, then these can be arranged in 5 factorial. The three vowels, these three letters can be arranged in 3 factorial. Why we need to write 3 factorial? That's a good question. A-I-O, A-I-O or A-O-I or I-A-O dot dot dot, that can be arranged 6 ways or 3 factorial ways. That's why we need to multiply by 3 factorial. This also already we discussed.